Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable CORS handling for mobile APIs, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable CORS handling for mobile APIs, start by understanding what CORS is. CORS stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. It allows your web applications to request resources from different domains. First, identify the technology stack your mobile API is using. If you're using Node.js, begin by installing the CORS package. Use the command npm install CORS in your terminal. Next, import the CORS package at the top of your API file. Add it to your middleware stack by including app.use CORS. If you're using Express, this setup is straightforward. For APIs built with Flask, install the Flask CORS package. Run the command pip install Flask CORS in your terminal. Import Flask CORS in your API file with from Flask_CORS import CORS annexed. Initialize CORS in your application with CORS. Add the annotation at enable web MVC to enable web configuration. Then, override the add CORS mappings method. Within this method, define allowed origins, methods, and headers. For example, you can use registry.addMapping /API/*** .allowed origins, * for Django API. Run pip install Django CORS headers in your terminal. Add CORS to your installed _apps in settings.py. Then, add the middleware by including CORS_middleware.CORS middleware in your middleware. Configure allowed origins in settings.py using CORS_allowed_origins. Once you finish configuring this, use a tool like Postman or your mobile app to make a request to the API. Make sure to check whether the CORS handling is working correctly. If you receive the proper response, you've successfully enabled CORS. If there are any issues, review your configuration for errors or omissions. Once you're satisfied with the CORS setup, proceed to deploy your API. Now your mobile APIs are ready for cross-origin requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.